Container gas station usage guide. External power cord input. Spray input. Power cable. Imported oil 1. Imported oil 2. Oil and gas return post. Leakage detection. Static release device. Fuel dispenser inlet oil. Spherical fire extinguisher. Explosion-proof lights. After the power supply is connected, turn on the power supply of the liquid level. Open the power supply. Number 1 fuel dispenser power supply. Number 2 fuel dispenser power supply. The socket power supply on the panel. Number 1 unloading pump opening button. Stop button. Number 2 unloading pump opening button. Stop button. Standby. Level switch. Number 1 dispenser. Number 2 dispenser. Spray running indicator. Outlet power. Lighting power supply. Lighting switch. At first the keyboard is in a state of get off work. Insert the employee card. Enter the work password for nines. Then you can use the employee card to cheer. Click start to start refueling. Press stop to stop refueling. Press stop and pop up the employee card. Liquid level controller. Install leak detector. Red to brown wire. The blue wire is connected to the black wire. Submersible pump installation and wiring. Connect the probe into the explosion-proof box. The probe blue is connected to the blue lead. The probe red is connected with the red lead. The probe orange is connected to the yellow lead. The black probe is connected with the green lead. Cover the explosion-proof box after completion.